Hello everybody, this is Joe the Lego Man here, and today I'm in the Lego studio. And what we're going to be doing today is unboxing our current Lego.com order. So I made this order about a couple weeks ago. It came. We're going to have Joey and Jericho open her up. They don't know what's in it. They're going to be surprised. But it's not just that. They know about this one that I ordered in. What they don't know is that one down there. So we're going to get them to open this, and then we'll get the other one. Can't wait to see how they're going to react. Joey, Jericho, get in here.
What? What do you want?
All right, boys. So I made an order, and you guys get to open it. So have at it.
All right, let's see what you got then. Oh, I'm scared. What's in here? Oh, finally! I put this exact plane on my Christmas list, and it finally got here. Oh my gosh.
All right, so what do you guys think?
It's so cool.
All right,
Oh, wow.
now, is that the free gift?
Yes.
All right, so why don't you hold that up and let me see it, buddy? So, it is the Lego City passenger airplane set number 60367, along with the free gift of the Year of the Dragon. So now that one's out of the way, Jericho, look under the table.
What? Oh, there's another box!
All right, this one, Jericho, easy. Open her up. What can it be?
Ah!
All right, Jericho, grip and rip it. What have we got in here, boys? What have we got in here? What have we got in here?
Oh, it's a Yes, go! Oh, wow, it's so smaller than I
What
thought,
have we
but it's still good.
We have
got
B2 Super Battle Droids.
These bad boys.
We got sets number 75372, Clone Trooper and Battle Pack. One per kid.
That's cool.
Yay. Can we build these now?
Are we happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts, and share this video. Hit the notification bell because soon you will see us get to build this airplane and these battle packs. So, see you guys in the next one. Peace.